Look, we all know that Warren Buffett would never get into crypto. He wouldn't touch cryptocurrencies with a 10-foot pole. As a matter of fact, he called Bitcoin rat poison squared and said he wouldn't touch it even if it was $25. But with everything going on in crypto, with the ETFs, with Trump now president backing crypto, what cryptocurrencies would Warren Buffett buy if he were to invest in crypto? That's what we're going to be talking about today, and we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Buffett. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Buffett.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And today we're going to be talking about what cryptocurrencies would Warren Buffett buy if he were in crypto. Obviously, he's not in crypto. He wouldn't touch crypto. But what cryptocurrencies would he buy if he were in crypto? And look, Warren Buffett does not look at technical analysis. He looks at fundamentals, and specifically long-term fundamentals. When investing in stocks, he looks at the company's intrinsic value, which he claims that Bitcoin has no intrinsic value. Then he looks at the management, the team, and the growth potential, along with earnings, revenue, profit margins, and so on. So he needs to understand the company's business model and looks at long-term fundamentals for success, if that makes sense. So how do we apply this in crypto? What cryptocurrencies would he get if he were in crypto? All right, so first of all, we have Bitcoin. See, if Warren Buffett would be in any cryptocurrencies at all, and I know he called Bitcoin rat poison squared back in the day, but if he were in any cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin would be the top of his list. Why? Because look, with the ETFs, the current administration after the recent elections, with everything going on with Bitcoin, the proof of concept, I mean, it's over 15 years in existence now. It's a no-brainer. The fundamentals are there, and if he would understand anything, Bitcoin would be the one. Plus, he can hold it long term, and it makes more sense. And look, Bitcoin right now is sitting at 75,957 as I'm making this video. We are in blue sky breakout and price discovery, so this is a no-brainer. So Bitcoin would definitely be on the top of his list. Next up, we have Ethereum. Now, I know Ethereum hasn't been performing as expected lately, but sooner or later it will. As more money come in from funds, they're gonna get into the top coins. And Ethereum is still second. Now, maybe it gets flipped later on by Solana at some point, but for right now, Ethereum is there. It has proof of concept. It's a blue chip, so to speak. And Warren Buffett would understand that betting on the second strongest cryptocurrency would make sense, especially with everything going on with Ethereum as well behind the scenes. So Ethereum right now is sitting at $2,908. Its all-time highs was $4,666. And it's a no-brainer that Ethereum will at some point challenge these all-time highs, possibly break them and go into blue sky breakout and price discovery. So Ethereum would definitely be on his list. Next up, we have Solana. And we've talked about Solana. We've been begging you to get into Solana since it was $2. And then again, after we took profits at the tops, down at around $10 to $8. And we talked about institutional money coming in, investors coming into Solana, and they would not let it fail. Every time there was a problem, it would go down, they would buy it up. Every time it was offline, they would buy it up. Solana was a no-brainer, and would also be a no-brainer for Warren Buffett. I mean, it's challenging Ethereum. It's doing great. It has a lot of backing, working a lot on different projects, and right now is breaking its recent all-time highs of $198. Solana will challenge its all-time highs and break them and go into blue sky breakout and price discovery. And while Warren Buffett doesn't look at price, or should I say technical analysis, he does look at charts like this. I'm pretty sure he looks at charts to see how it's performing. As a matter of fact, Warren Buffett does look at price because I remember reading it in one of his books or somewhere. He does take price into account. Next up, we have Sui as sort of a Solana competitor. Now, granted, Warren Buffett probably wouldn't touch this one in the sense that it's a new coin. He only goes for coins that have strong fundamentals, and Sui may be a little bit too new for him for proof of concept and so on, but Sui has some things going for it. And look, SUI has already broken its all-time highs and now getting into price discovery and blue sky breakout. So SUI is a no-brainer here and could pull off a Solana, meaning taking market share from Solana and actually performing surprisingly well. So don't be surprised if SUI goes up very fast during this bull market. Next we have Fetch, or Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, ASI. Now again, even though this is a new coin and Warren Buffett really doesn't invest in new projects, you have to understand that ASI has some fundamentals behind it, being the merge with Fetch, Ocean Protocol, and Ajax. This gives them a huge advantage to tackle the AI world or the AI industry and actually be able to compete with Web 2 as a Web 3 company. And look, price right now at $1.40 is a no-brainer. It's already broken its all-time highs, made this run up to $3.2, currently sitting at 1.4. If you want my personal opinion on TA right here, you actually see an inverse head and shoulders here, came back down making it support, and you can also look at it as a bigger cup and handle here, and I do think it's going to break this 1.7 range, re-challenge all-time highs, break out, and go into price discovery. So it just makes sense that Warren Buffett, if he were into crypto, then ASI would be at the top of his list. Now, of course, this is all hypothetical. Chances are Warren Buffett will never ever get into crypto. By the way, real quick, let me know in the comment section down below what cryptocurrencies you think Warren Buffett would be in if he were in crypto. Would he be in Bitcoin? Would he be in Ethereum? Or would he be in something else like ADA or XRP? Probably not. And if you are over 40 years old and want to build a winning crypto portfolio, make sure you check out this video right here. You can also check it out if you're under 40 years old, by the way, but especially if you're over 40, check out this video. You don't want to miss it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.